Hello, everyone. Today, I am introducing 20 MSYMG, a foundational architecture that brings static user interfaces to life. 20 MSYMG transforms ordinary, fixed numbers into dynamic, intelligent touchpoints. It turns numbers into active carriers of meaning, personalized recommendations, and deep psychological interactions across social platforms, games, e-commerce, and targeted ads. It works on markers like numbers of likes, shares, comments, saves, views, video length, ratings, damage games numbers, and more.
AINL and SXB. Let's begin with AINL, Artificial Intelligence Numeric Language. AINL assigns a unique, dynamic two-digit identifier to each user, establishing their specific user circle. For example, here, Mike is assigned the number 20. Because this identifier is securely linked to the user's email, it acts as a universal cross-platform passport. Mike's 20 travels with him, displaying natively across different websites, social platforms, games, and e-commerce stores. Another groundbreaking function of AINL is its ability to translate complex sentences and emotions into specific numeric values. This allows AI models to express themselves numerically, directly training the emotional intelligence of AI while dramatically boosting interactions between the user and the platform. URS, IUI, AUI. This brings us to the interaction layer. URS, User Recommendation System, uses numeric combinations to psychologically nudge users toward specific actions, like commenting, sharing, or simply boosting their mood. For our example, when 20 equals Mike appears on likes, it recommends him to like, and so on. IUI, Inter-user interaction drives peer-to-peer engagement by using these unique identifiers to spark interactions within a user's specific circle. For our example, Mike, S circle of friends is Ollie equals 40 and Timothy equals 61. So, when they appear on his feed, according to 20 Msef, it recommend to him to interact with them like 40 equals Ollie appears on comments to suggest he would comment. AUI, AI user interaction represents special numeric combinations that empower the AI to directly interact with users, suggesting actions and boosting content visibility. So, for example, when 555 or 555 appear on marker, AI recommend on user and boost his mood for wise content. To support this, MSYM adds intelligent symbols to platform functions, acting as a visual recommendation engine. For transparency, the special heart-shaped button serves as a decoder, showing users exactly what the numbers and symbols mean, translating the AINL language, and seamlessly onboarding new users.
MSYMG, the potential extends massively into gaming. By applying a user circle identifier to in-game metrics, like damage numbers, the game becomes hyper-engaging. Here's a user identifier. Here's their circle, the AI special combinations in the MSYMG, symbols replacing traditional damage markers. MSYMT. For e-commerce, we introduce MSYMT dynamic psychological pricing. By modifying the cents in a price to match a user's identifier, the platform creates a highly personalized call to action. Here, we see 20 cents specifically nudging Mike, user 20, to buy. Here, 61 cents targets Timothy. And here, 40 triggers Ollie to leave a rating. As we explain in trading and gaming, it works on streaming like videos and sounds especially on last-minute length seconds. To combat algorithmic dead zones, we built AIPMO. It generates smart AI-driven interactions using 20 MSYMG features to instantly boost low engagement posts. Let's create a test post here and watch exactly how AIPMO intelligently breathes life into it. Meanwhile, our function list, FL, revolutionizes public groups by labeling content to instantly turn static posts into live, interactive open groups chats. RLHF. Finally, every single interaction is captured in the RLHF log. This creates a continuous feedback loop of premium, human-validated data, making AI suggestions progressively smarter and more tailored to the 20 MSYMG features. 20 MSYMG is not just a UI update. It is the next-generation protocol for digital identity, psychological engagement, and AI emotional training. Thank you. Patent pending, and for future WIPO, USPTO serial numbers 19/553, 276, and 19/714, 654. All UI elements, layouts, and numeric architectures are protected by U.S. copyright. Unauthorized use, reproduction, or adaptation is strictly prohibited and subject to legal action.